for Iraqi Dinar investors. What do we know so far? On this channel, we know that the Forex market is a global currency platform that is open 24 hours a day with open and closed trading sessions based upon which part of the world you are living in. In the Forex market, you deal with two currencies at a time. We also know that there are three categories of currencies in the Forex market. The first category, major currencies. I call this the big boys, so to speak. The most frequently traded currencies come under the category of major currencies. Minor currencies is the second category. Now check this out. When a currency pair does not include the US dollar, then it is considered a minor currency trade. 3, an exotic currency. Now, an exotic currency pair includes a major currency and the currency of a developing economy. We talk about exotic currencies on this channel because that is what the Vietnam Dong, the Malaysian Ringgit, and the Iraqi Dinar are categorized as. Now, we also know on this channel, because I've said it in 9-10 videos in the past, there are 7 basic factors that help determine a country's foreign currency rate. The factors are inflation, interest rates, terms of trade, political stability, balance of payment, national debt, and recession. In our last video, we talked about the 4 major traits of exotic currencies. To review the traits, the link is in the top right hand corner. There is so much to learn. However, if you break it down to 15 minutes a day, you will be amazed at how much you will know at the end of 30 days. This channel recommends that you learn by doing. There are 1,000 courses online. However, when you actually learn on a particular platform, you are much further ahead than most. You can sign up on TradingView for a free account for 30 days. This channel recommends TradingView for the following 6 reasons. 1, it is a visual trading platform, meaning they provide charts and economic news, which pertains to the 7 basic factors that help to determine a country's foreign currency. 2, this site is a social media site where you can follow the best traders and do what they do. 3, the site is published in 18 different languages and has over 9 million members or customers. 4, the monthly fee after the 30-day sign up, the monthly fees are extremely affordable. 5, the 5th reason is because TradingView provides the news articles, and I said this before, that will help you make a better trading decision. 6, the site includes charts for cryptocurrency. I will get on the platform as well, and we can talk about the latest or the best traders to follow, because that's all I'm going to do is follow someone that knows what they're doing. You know the traders that are making money for themselves and their followers. So go sign up now for the free account. The link is in the description. Spend 15 minutes a day learning and see what you think. Open the door or the window to possibilities to improve, to increase your financial portfolio.